Hi friends, welcome back. Let's begin our journey with knowledge gap. Our today's topic is based on learning a language other than mother tongue. As you all know, language is very important in our day-to-day life. It is the best medium of communication. All of us have a mother tongue to communicate. But nowadays, for education, job, competitive exams and all, we must know more than one language. The language that is mostly used other than our mother tongue is English, which is an international language. That is why we all must learn English for sure. For that, we have to go through 3 steps. At first comes the mental preparation. Second is the elements and the structure of the language. And third is practice. Let us see how we do the mental preparation. First, have a belief that I can. See, nobody is perfect. Everyone has positives and negatives. Nobody is born in this world with a language with them. All of us learn it gradually. So what you have to do is keep your ego, inferiority complex and all aside and face the public confidently. If someone teases you when you make a mistake, just ignore them and correct the mistake next time. Another thing you have to do is think in English. For example, if you are traveling somewhere, you may notice a lot of things. You may see vehicles, shops, posters, etc. You may also describe about these things in your mind in your mother tongue. Just do that in English. It is a very simple method you can use. You don't have to worry that if someone hears it or not. Just think in English. The next step is to know the structure of a language and its elements. There are various elements like verbs and tenses, articles, nouns, pronouns, contractions, prepositions, auxiliaries, imperatives, etc. All these combines together to form a language. Before going to the next step, you should increase your vocabulary. For that, you can use mediums like television, newspapers, etc., which will help you to grasp more new words. Our last step is practice. As you all know, practice makes man perfect. So what you have to do is follow the steps that I have told you. I assure you that you will be able to speak in English fluently very soon. If you feel that this video was informative, please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please do mention in the comment box. I will reply to your comments in my next video. Also click the bell icon to get the notifications of my coming videos. Till then, this is Anjali signing off. Bye.